Liverpool Street and we're about to get our train. These are all my liquids. They did fit, but yes, as somebody had too many, so we had to transfer them over. So I'm just reorganizing them, and I'm gonna put them. Yes, I wonder who that person is. Are you proud of it?
Yes, I am. I beat the system.
Do you know what? She actually beat the system. She actually beat the system. Oh my gosh, you can't see me. She actually beat the system. Like, I was like, it's not gonna fit, and the lady was like, it will fit, and she was like, she just said, give me your. So she helped Esther literally squeeze everything in it.
It was in my bag, and I even got this one in my bag.
I have been caught out before though. They took away my Body Shop body butter. Body Shop. They took away my shea butter. Ever since then, I learnt my lesson. Make sure it fits into one of these.
It's quite handy.
It is really handy. I love it. Yes. I'm talking about my tripod. Mini tripod, that is. It says what? Gate shown.
I think people are laughing at us.
Yeah, he was.
He was laughing at how I went like. He was thinking, he was looking at you like, are you really gonna approach her like that? And then he was like laughing at me.
He just thought we're two random black people meeting.
I don't know, but he was laughing at my reaction.
What?
Anyway, so where is it?
Gate is shown at 25.
It's at 25,
So they're gonna show it in a few minutes.
oh, okay then. So we are walking to the, what's they call it? The shuttle. Jesus is such a wonderful thing.
We're walking with
Esther, somebody was asking for you on my vlog the other day. Someone was actually asking for you. They were like, oh, where is your funny and interesting sister? And you know what?
Lovely.
And then they put it in capital letters. I'm thinking, does it have to be in capital letters?
Right.
Yes, I know. Here she is.
Jesus, because it's such a wonderful thing.
1 sec, my thing is coming off. Alright, so Stansted Airport is one of the most busy airports I have ever been to. Miss Mambo. Have you seen Esther's Mambo braids? So we have to walk down to gate 49. It's a long walk, it's like a 10-minute walk, and I feel like I'm carrying a lot of stuff.
Ish prep. That is my favorite video on YouTube. Sloppy Joe for the first time. And he thinks it's poo. Genuinely thought his mom had served him poo.
Wow.
It was traumatic.
Okay, so we have just gotten through security and we are on our way to get a bus to the central station. Is it bus or is it train? I think it's bus. Yeah, anyway. It's taken a long time, but we're finally on our way there.
Yes.
So come with us to the bus. Welcome in! La 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 la! I feel like I always have to travel with fruit. Every single time I travel, I always take fruit. Alright, so we've just gotten to the mall opposite the central station to grab something to eat. We don't know where to go, but basically we met these people. They were like angels. There was a girl with her mother and she was up for meeting up tonight. We don't know what we're doing tonight. Maybe we'll link up, who knows. They recommended this place, Le Pain Francais, and then also Espresso House upstairs, as well as a few other cafes. There's lots of places to eat. So we're just going to decide on something to eat and we'll show you what we're getting. Got myself a bagel, a little bit of dessert there. Esther, what did you get? We got the same sandwich.
Yeah.
Boros. Boros. This is Esther's colleague Martin.
Hi.
From Kuken, right?
Good.
And we are about to walk around the lake. It's getting dark now. Esther's over there. She's doing a bit of vlogging herself. Martin, what do you have to say about this area? Oh, 1 second, let me focus it.
Why you focus me?
Because you're our tour guide for now.
I have absolutely no idea. There's a lake. She brought me here last week, and I saw a lake. There is a lake. Just show the lake.
There we have it. It's really nice. Esther's back there.
Falköping is even less people.
Oh, quicksand.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's quicksand.
Cold. Look at how clear the water is. The back of here.
Oh, that. Yeah.
Grabbing a few things for breakfast. We're gonna slice it in this machine.
How do you use that?
Martin, you didn't even know this.
No. We got bread.
What's that?
Perfect temperature, actually.
See? I've got a lampshade as well. Okay, man.
Going down to get pizza. We're looking at what pizzas to get. They even have Africana pizza. I don't even know which one.
How are you?
What do you normally have?
Yeah, I know, the best pizza. The first one, which is just ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese.
Hawaiian you get?
No, I just get this one, the sushi.
Okay.
Google.
Okay. What's in the Mexican?
No idea, honestly.
I went for the Hawaiian and Mexicana pizza, half and half. So I get a bit of both. Esther's going for half kebab and she's yet to choose the other half. She was about to choose the Roma special. Let's see what she chooses. It's so warm, it's like super hygge. Some pizza there. Yum yum. Such a nice building. I love pizza.
Oh, thank you.
More space. Oh, I forgot to cool. And I've got some flavor of sparkling water.
Oh, that's even better. Even better actually, yeah.
But I don't know how old it is. You see.
You don't know how old it is.
Is it still sparkling or is it just flavored water now?
This doesn't even have sugar in it.
No?
No?
How do you know?
Because I can taste it.
I didn't want to go all the way to the kitchen.
Sorry.
Nah.
How's the pizza? Tasty. Martin has ham and I have the
I told you,
Hawaiian. I can't see any pineapples though.
Didn't order any pineapples.
Yeah, but Hawaiian pizza has pineapples usually, doesn't it? No?
Tabby, we asked
This
him
one
to
is
put.
Vesuvio.
Tabby, we asked him to put jalapeno. He didn't do it.
He didn't.
It's alright though. It's tasty.
He didn't understand.
He just took out the what's it called? Prawns.
Okay, you have a point.
So yummy. It's been an eventful day. It's now time to get to bed and sleep. Tomorrow we're going to be exploring Gothenburg. So yeah, good night and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye. This window is massive. Good morning, Sweden. Finished having breakfast and we also had some Turkish delight which was quite yummy. Alright, so we are leaving. Oh, I was on this side, wasn't
Driving.
I? Change of plan, we're not going to Gothenburg anymore. Okay, we're going to Gothenburg tonight to go out, but we're spending the day in Young shopping. I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I'm in love with nature, so anywhere beautiful, I'm on it. Esther, what do you think of Sweden so far?
Yeah, it's nice. I like the environment.
Yes.
Nice atmosphere. Chilled.
Yeah, it's beautiful nature around. But you haven't been to Stockholm yet, so you haven't seen like the busyness of it. You've seen everything calm, everything serene. Oh yeah, we're just gonna grab a coffee and see the lake. Coffee meaning drink, like hot chocolate or something.
Look at how spacious it is.
I want to take a video, please. Since we're not using Google Maps, it's got all the maps, the cafes that way. So get a house. You should get one like that, Martin.
It's a beautiful apartment.
Underneath there, all this.
Yeah, you can go
I would like that. I would love to live here. Oh,
Why don't you move here, Esther?
I would move outside of the UK. I've moved up north and I've started to talk like I'm up north. Someone asked me if I'm from up north. They're like, oh, where are you from? I said, Uganda. I said, originally Uganda. They're like, no, you sound like you're from up north. I was like,
You don't sound from up north.
I've got to show you the lake. I've got to show you. We're in this place called Briggen. It is right by the water. About to grab a coffee and maybe something to eat.
What would you have me do? Where would you have me go? Tell me to fly away, I'll spread my wings and go. Tell me to stay, I'll lay back down, I'll drift away without a sound. Oh, keep on bathing your frame of view, every day's a new shade of you. Hey, what would you have me do? Where would you have me go? What would you have me do? Where would you have me go?
Oh, it's so gorgeous around here. We've just parked up right next to the lake. It's so beautiful. Can you hear the water? Can you hear it? It's absolutely beautiful. Guys, I want to come and move to Sweden. I want to come and move to Sweden where it's all beautiful. There's nature all around. Gosh, and it's not like even like, I think people live around here as well. You see that car? I want to take a picture next to it. My friend doesn't like taking photos next to cars that don't belong to her. This is a derelict car. This is an abandoned car. So I think it would be just fine. And there's a ped. There's a little beach here. It's actually quite sandy. It's lovely. Martin is literally climbing a tree. Can you see him? Can you see him there? He's in the background.
you should have just called Martin.
I know. Pat your wave, ooh. Whew. Anyway, let's take a few photos and then we'll head off. The sun is setting now. Alright, so we are just about to grab something to eat. Let's go in. by chance.
Yeah.
So now we're all going out.
We're all gonna have a good time.
Yes. We are all gonna have a good time. Yay! How amazing is Natalie's makeup?
Very nice.
It's very nice. This club is called Upstairs.
Yes,
And they play a lot of hip hop,
R&B.
R&B and all that. So we're looking to have a good night. Just admiring the view. It's about 3 a.m. in the morning. Natalie's gonna say the name of it.
It's called Masthugskyrkan.
Yep. There is this beautiful church.
Go to Oslo.
Go to Oslo.
3 hours from here. Yeah.
We are having a very late start to the day, but hopefully hopefully things will pick up and we will make our way to church. Things should pick up actually. Breakfast, church, some breakfast? No, lunch. It's too late to call it breakfast. Something to eat, then church. We had a good night last night, but it was very interesting. I don't even know if we want to get into that, but it was like London following us wherever we were going. Gosh, I'm burning stuff. How do you even cook these Polish sausages? Are they like ready to eat once they come out of the packet? Or do you actually have to fry them? Because I feel like they were already really hard and like already cooked. I don't know. These mints are so addictive. I think they're nearly ready. Heading to the 4th floor. Right, so this is the room that we have gotten. We've checked in and everything. It's pretty nice. I'm actually quite impressed with it. Those are the beds there. Really big window. It's really warm in here as well. We've got our radiator, pillow, TV. Definitely gonna have to show you breakfast tomorrow morning. Breakfast is one of my favorite meals of the day after lunch. I think what we're gonna do now is to go and get some food. I'm kind of hungry and I need to buy water because I've not drunk a lot of water today and I just feel a bit dehydrated. So yeah, this is where we're staying for tonight. It's called Lamat. It is on Kristinlundsgatan. I think that's what it's called. I can't remember. I think that's the name of the street. Still haven't left yet. We're about to leave. It's got all these paintings on the walls of old Gothenburg. Some on this side too. Finally walking to get something to eat. Starving. Literally starving. Not proud of this, but we've got some takeaway. Tropicana. It's always best with bits. The best. I think I'm gonna save this for later. Such a nice shop. So many options. I love it. So what we've decided on is just to basically grab some food. What we've decided on is basically to just grab some food and then make our way to the airport. Basically end our time here as how we started it, which is fine, but that's just giving us a reason to
Sing? I don't know.
a reason to come back. My arm, this is exactly why I use that tripod usually.
Yeah, so it's really funny. I just like flicked my leg up and then a lady, I think I kicked her back.
Why is it always when you
I turned and
body reflexes?
That's hilarious, mate.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna chill and you can join us if you want. Let's go. Up, yes. You can't just throw that word in like randomly anyway, like
Tack. I say it in English, so why can't I say thank you in Swedish?
True.
I'm a thankful person. I'm a tactful person.
Just stopped at Espresso House. What do we get? Do you remember the name of it?
Something.
Chickling.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
We have a cheeky smoothie.
Literally cheeky.
The cheeky smoothie.
We got these mini dimes. I absolutely love them. There's Esther, already seen her. Don't think we're gonna get anything from duty free. Esther, do you need anything? No? No. Time to go back home. Yes, you made it. Esther, how do you feel?
Thankful.
Me too. Alright, let's go back.